Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to tell you all about the original Raspberry Pi 5 development board Raspberry Pi 5 Computer Optional Kit. The original Raspberry Pi 5 is a powerful development board available in 4GB and 8GB RAM configurations, ideal for hobbyists and developers. It features the Broadcom BCM2712 SoC with a quad-core Cortex-A76 CPU, capable of running at 2.4 GHz, offering substantial performance improvements for demanding applications such as AI and media centers. Key specifications include two USB 3.0 and two USB 2.0 ports for various peripherals, integrated Ethernet and Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth connectivity. Its power supply operates on a 5V/5A input via USB-C and supports power delivery, alongside power over Ethernet capabilities with an optional PO hat. The board also includes an onboard real-time clock (RTC) chip, enhancing reliability for time-sensitive tasks. Designed for a wide temperature range, the Raspberry Pi 5 is suitable for both indoor and industrial applications. It serves as an excellent platform for development and educational projects, ensuring steady power management with its voltage regulator. An optional kit version is available, which may include essential accessories like a power supply and pre-installed OS on a microSD card, making it perfect for both beginners and professionals. The Raspberry Pi 5 meets several safety certifications, including FCC and RoHS. Ensuring compliance and environmental responsibility, overall, the Raspberry Pi 5 stands out for its robust performance and versatility, catering to a variety of users such as developers, educators, and DIY enthusiasts. It is well suited for IoT automation, multimedia systems, and even running mini Kubernetes clusters. Thanks for watching. Check out the video description for updated price.